So power scaling in LightBurn is a way for us not to burn some of the more intricate details of a project while keeping the entire project on the same layer. I've got a couple of automobiles here, and we're going to work with these. We're going to engrave this top one at a full 100%, which I've got set for 40% on the layer. So here's the layer. Now with diode lasers, the minimum power is set at 0. Some other lasers, the user can set those, but for diode and see, it's set at 0. We can only control the max power, which is set at 40% for this layer. So what we're going to do, the hubcaps have more intricate detail than the rest of the vehicle, so they will definitely burn some at this power. So what I'm going to do is with this bottom one, I'm going to select the hubcaps, and I'm going to go to the Shape Properties tab, and the power scale is there. And if you don't have that tab, go up to Window, down to Shape Properties, and check it, and it'll pop up wherever you have this window positioned on your workspace. So we're going to select it. We're going to make the power scale 50% of the total set for the layer, which is 40% power, so we'll get 20% power for the hubcap. We're going to do the same thing here. Set this one for 50. And we could, of course, put this on a different layer, but sometimes it's easier just to stay on the same layer, use the power scale. And now you do have to have these ungrouped when you do it. Okay, so we're going to run this in the laser, and I'm not going to use the air assist. Matter of fact, let me go in the layer and turn that off. There it is, no air assist. I don't usually use air assist with smaller engravings. I do with much larger ones. So we're going to burn this, and I suspect the hubcaps will be a little charred on the top one, but the bottom one, they should come out a lot better. So let's jump in the laser, do that, and see what pops out. All right, folks, I'll be right back. Okay, we're set up and ready to go. This is 3mm basswood plywood, and like I said, I'm not using air assist, just the exhaust fan. So let's do this and see what comes out. Okay, well, let's let this smoke clear out, and then we'll take a closer look at it. Okay, so here's our final product, and it's pretty clear that the upper hubcaps are charred somewhat. The lower one, through power scaling, we reduced the hubcaps here to 20%. So I'm on a 40-watt laser, 40% power. But when we reduced these with power scaling, we kept everything on the same layer. So this gives you another option. Because if you had a really detailed project, you may end up with 15 or 20 layers over in your window, and that can be hard to keep up with. And when you do this, you can make a note. You can just go up to File and go down to Show Notes, and you can add notes for what you've done to this, and you'll remember every time you open the project, it'll show your notes and you'll remember what you've done. So give this a try and let me know in the comments if it works. And if it was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It does help the channel grow, and it helps me stay out in the shop and keep doing this. And when I learn new things, I share them with you folks. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.